Hello, Mekane. Udi menama ba otogo shibadim. Uyodu, Oyukwe, Eye, Ela, Eyomameo, Ebe Okideho. 00001. 00001. The FCT Minister. I welcome you to Akoda West specially, to elect especially. Oko Ejale Meka. Let me stand on existing protocol. First, you people know where I'm coming from. You people know?
You know everything.
You are not aware.
We are aware. Tell us.
I'm coming from the camp of the governor of Rivers State. That is where I'm coming from. For those who don't know it from now. You see, leadership goes with responsibility. Leadership goes with what? Responsibility. A leader should be able to face his people and tell his people the truth from time to time. Any leader that cannot face his people and tell them the truth is not worthy to be a leader. You people know the situation in the state. In the first instance, there was crisis. They all went to the president. The president mediated. Agreement was reached. 8 points agenda. The governor came back. He didn't sign that agreement under duress. Nobody forced him. He signed voluntarily. But what happened? He didn't keep to that agreement. In the second instance, you see this time very crafty. He has enormous support, enormous followers. But he went to the negotiation alone. Because from the onset, he has planned not to keep to the terms of the agreement. Otherwise, tell me why a governor should go to a negotiation of that magnitude and then decide to go alone. Then having finished negotiated, you came back. You didn't tell your followers, Rivers people, what you discussed there, what you agreed there. Is that what leadership is supposed to be? No. I'm still demanding it, I'm reiterating it right now, that the governor should come out and address Rivers people. That this last mediation, these were the things we agreed on. He should tell Rivers people, it's not a big deal. If you accept anyone wrongly, you tell us, we'll go and renegotiate. Other than keeping mute, that doesn't show accountability. It's not accountability. The governor is accountable to us, to Rivers people. Rivers people employed him. We employed him. We gave him that mandate on our behalf. So he should be able to come out clean and tell Rivers people, look, this last negotiation, these were the things we agreed on. If he make mistake, he can tell us. Then we'll go back to the FCT minister, House of Assembly, and the president can tell them, look, let's renegotiate this agreement. So what I'm telling my people today is that a leader that cannot communicate, tell his people the truth, cannot be trusted as a leader. You see where you are. The FCT minister, anyone he can do, he will accept he will do. Anyone he cannot do, he will accept not to do. He went to the negotiation with his team, witness, and came back. But because our governor has intent to defraud Rivers people, he went alone, so that there will be no what? Witness. Please, from today, if you want to borrow anybody money, including your father or mother or your wife, let there be what? Witness. As we speak, there is no witness. Oh. That is why they are dying there. I've told them. There is no witness. Finally, you see, people can commit crime. We have armed robbers. We have murderers. We have the church. We also have mosque. We also have our local shrine. You can't stop the armed robber or the murderer from going there to church to pray to God. You can't stop. You can't stop them. But the day you hand over, look at what I'm holding now, is the pulpit, microphone. The day you hand over the microphone, the pulpit, to an armed robber, to a murderer, that day you are doomed. So we have handed over our microphone to an armed robber. We have handed over the pulpit to a murderer. So the earlier we realize this, the better. You see, if you make the first mistake, you can be forgiven. If you make the second one, you cannot be forgiven, no. Including the FDCT minister. You have made the first mistake. Don't make a second one. Then to my people, that leadership is not a leadership you can trust. Don't trust that leadership. Let him come out and tell Rivers people, X, Y, Z, he agreed on that negotiation. Thank you very much.
A round of applause for the prince.
You have shown us love.